I felt like spending some quality time in the workshop just making something, and I decided to make these drawer pulls. I had this offcut of oak that was cracked diagonally towards the left of the heart, and I cut that section off at the bandsaw. I then flattened the piece and cut it up into smaller pieces. By regluing those in their new orientation, I could squeeze one more handle out of that piece. But really, I just felt like cutting something up and then doing some sort of a glue up. Since template routing creates a lot of burning and splintering at the end grain of pieces like this, I decided to cut them out at the bandsaw. And then I rounded over the edges at the router table. And after varnishing them and giving them an hour to dry, I could install them. Of course, I left out around 90% of the actual work in this video, which is sanding. After being cut at the bandsaw, the pieces need to be sanded, and then after routing the edges, the pieces need to be sanded again. And then after the first coat of varnish, the pieces need to be sanded yet again. And then after one more coat of varnish, they need to be sanded one final time, before the third coat of varnish.